Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to delete your Gmail account permanently. If you've decided to move on from Gmail or simply want to declutter your digital life, this process will help you permanently remove your Gmail while keeping your other Google services intact. First, open your web browser and navigate to mail.google.com. This takes you directly to your Gmail inbox where we'll begin the deletion process. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of your screen where you'll find your profile icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several account options. From that menu, select Manage Your Google Account. This opens up the main control panel where you can adjust all your Google settings and preferences. It's essentially your command center for everything related to your Google presence. Once you're in your account settings, focus on the left menu and click on Data and Privacy. This section is crucial because it houses all the tools for managing your personal information and how Google uses your data. Now, scroll down until you reach the section labeled Data from apps and services that you use. This is where Google gives you control over the various services connected to your account. Within this section, click on Delete a Google service. This option allows you to selectively remove specific Google products without deleting your entire Google account. On the next page, you'll need to select Delete a service again and enter your Gmail password to verify your identity. This extra verification step ensures that only you can make these critical changes to your account. Now comes the key moment. Click the trash icon next to Gmail. This is where the actual deletion process begins. Before finalizing, Google will ask you to enter an alternate email address that's not Gmail. This alternate email becomes your new login credential for other Google services like YouTube, Google Drive, or Google Photos. Once you've entered it, click Send Verification Email. Finally, open the verification email that was sent to your alternate email account. Inside, you'll find a verification link. Click this link to confirm that you own the alternate email and want to proceed with the deletion. This final step completes the process and permanently removes your Gmail account. Thanks for watching.